Hi everyone. For this activity we're going to pick an Australian animal with distinct characteristics for our skateboard design. So I've chosen the cockatoo because I really like his crest, his yellow crest, and I think cockatoos have lots of personality as well. So anyway, go to Google and type in the Australian animal that you intend to put on your skateboard and go to images. And once you're on images, it allows you to go to your tools and pick size. Okay, now we're going to pick the largest possible size, and that means that when we edit this on Photoshop, it won't be pixelated. So I'm just going to find one that has a profile view and a good depiction of the crest. So I think I'll go for this one. Although this one's quite interesting too because it's got the wings. But let's go for this one. So I'll click on that and I'm just going to right click it and save image as, and make sure you give it a name that will help you find it. So I'm just going to call it cockatoo, save it on my desktop, and there we go. Just make sure though that it is a JPEG. It just makes things easier. Okay, so once we've done that, we can go to our downloads and open our desktop rather, and open the file with Photoshop. So go open with Photoshop. And so what we're going to do now is simply remove the background. Now, the 2025 version of Photoshop has AI. So if I just go to this tool and I click on the actual image, it gives me the option to remove the background. Now, if this here is not visible, just go to Window and click on Contextual Taskbar. Okay, that's your contextual taskbar, and it allows you to remove backgrounds quite easily. There you go. So that's pretty good. If there's anything left, you can just erase it. So there's your eraser here, and I'll just erase that little bit there. Now, in order to retain the transparent background, in other words, this grid here represents transparency, we need to simply save it. So go File, Save a Copy, and we're going to save it as a PNG. PNG has what we call an alpha channel, which is the transparency channel, something that JPEGs do not have. So click PNG and save that. I might just call it cockatoo transparent so I don't get it mixed up with the other one. It's a PNG. Click Save. And okay, so once you've done that, you're ready for the next step. Thanks. Good luck.